All right, in our next example, we're talking about x and y intercepts, so hopefully this will be super quick. If we look at this example, we have the equation y equals, this is bad formatting, this should all be on one line, 16 minus 0.05x. Okay, and that represents the number of gallons of gas, y, left in the tank after the car has traveled x miles. So in this picture, what are the x and y intercepts of the graph, and what do they represent about the picture? So looking at a graph, there's my y-intercept, which is 16, and my x-intercept is 320. So what does that mean? It means that there are 16 gallons of gas at the start of the trip. And then the car is able to drive 320 miles before it runs out of gas. Okay. So when you're looking at the graph, it's real easy to be able to find it. Just remember which one's your x and y axis. X is horizontal, y is vertical. The other way to find x and y intercepts, so we're going to look at this example B here, is to find an x-intercept. You plug in 0 for y, and for a y-intercept, you substitute 0 for x. So let's look at that. So where there's a y, I'm going to put 0. I'm going to add 3 to both sides to get x by itself. And then I think about, what does absolute value mean? It means it could be positive or negative. So x could be positive or negative 3. For the y-intercept, I'm going to make x 0. So the absolute value of 0 is 0 minus 3. The y-intercept is negative 3. Okay, you can always find, or you can always double check this with a graph as well. Okay, blank of a function are also called x-intercepts because they are the input values that result in the function output of 0. Very clever here. They're called zeros, 0 of a function. So that is a reminder of what x and y intercepts are.